Hey you guys, how's everyone doing? I'm doing great. I was sick for a couple of weeks. I just had a cold, but now I'm much better. And you guys, I got a new microphone on Amazon and I'm really loving it. The reviews were great, so let me know if you guys like this microphone better than the one I had before or if you prefer the other one. And yeah guys, so today what I have for you is a clean with me and also a Costco haul. So right now I'm starting in my bedroom and I took off my sheets so I could go wash them, and also I'm just disinfecting my mattress and putting on new sheets. So I'll let you guys enjoy the video and enjoy the music, and I'll see you in a little bit. I believe I got this room spray at HomeSense. It smells so good. But either way, you guys, they have a lot of them at HomeSense. If you guys want to go check it out, they smell really good and they're really at a good price as well. Moving on to the laundry, I had already dried some clothes, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking them out so I could fold them. And you guys, I try to keep on top of the laundry. I try to do a load a day, if not more. So if you guys feel overwhelmed, try to do one load a day, especially if you have children. Because I know for me, we're 3 people in the house and sometimes it gets overwhelming, especially in winter when we have jackets to wash or big covers to wash. And it gets really overwhelming. I know for me it does. So that's one tip that I have for you guys. Try to do laundry once a day if you can. Okay you guys, so right now I'm doing the dishes. This is probably my second best chore. My first one is the laundry and the second one is the dishes. Those are probably 2 things that I could do all day long, but I don't like a lot of other tasks to do around the house, but these 2 I really actually enjoy them and I find they're great for anxiety. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna do the dishes, and you could see my daughter in the back there looking for something to eat. I want to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers who have been here from the beginning. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my videos. I know I haven't been consistent, especially in the summertime. I was doing activities with my daughter. I was going out with my boyfriend. I was having fun. I love summer so much, and we don't have it a lot in Canada, maybe a good 2 months. So I try to enjoy it as much as I can. But this winter, you guys, I want to try to be more consistent and make more videos for you guys because I love doing that and I love editing as well. If it's your first time here and you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below and let me know your name and where you're from. I would like to chat with you. And yeah guys, so that's it. Let's continue on with the video. Okay, so I was starting to get hungry, so I made myself some lunch, and I'm using some shrimp that I had the night before. And yeah, so it's just a quick and easy lunch. Hey you guys, so we did a quick run at Costco and I'm going to show you everything that we got. So we got these shrimp and vegetable tempura nests. So those are the little vegetable nests with the shrimp, and there's 36 nests. So they look like this. Let me know down below if you guys have tried these, because we haven't tried these before. I don't know if they're new. Next we got tempura orange chicken, and this contains 2 family kits, and the orange sauce is included. My daughter loves the General Tao chicken, and I found the orange chicken, so I don't know if she's gonna like it, but we're gonna try it and see. Next we got these chicken wings from the brand Novo, and it says tender and juicy, excellent source of protein, sodium phosphate free, and these are fully oven cooked. And he took Mild barbecue. My boyfriend took mild barbecue. Next, we got the raw shrimp, and there's 4 packs in here. These are my favorite shrimp, and this is what they look like. Next, we just got bread. I like this with dips. Next, we just got some bananas. My daughter asked for bananas, or smoothies, or just to eat like that. Next, we got some Brussels sprouts, and I like these fried with some balsamic vinegar on them, or boiled or steamed. Next, I got this Asian cashew salad kit. This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. And this one has cabbage, romaine, carrot, celery, sesame seeds, wonton strips, cashews, almonds, cilantro, and it has the Asian sesame dressing. Next, we just got some guava juice because my boyfriend really likes the juice and he loves the guava one, so we got this one. Next, we got some tortillas. I love these in the mornings, you guys. Next, we got mini beef nacho empanadas. These are seasoned beef in a nacho cheddar cheese sauce, and there's 36 pieces in here. And my daughter loves empanadas, so we can't wait to try these and see if they're gonna be good. And last, we got this codfish. And last but not least, we got these cheesecake cones. I saw them all over Facebook on the Costco page, so I really wanted to go get them. And we tried them, you guys, and we don't really like them. The cheese filling doesn't really taste like cheese. And the cone itself is like really, really sweet. There's caramel and peanuts. It's good. The cone is good, but it's really sweet. And the inside, like I said, doesn't really taste anything. And will I buy them again? No, I will not. And there's 12 mini in here. And I know a lot of you have bought these, so let me know down below if you guys like them. And that's it for this haul, you guys.